So now let's finalize in the CRUD API by the delete function. So the delete or the destroy. So let's now begin. So we define the variable post. So post delete. So we pass the delete function right here. So this is going to delete the product. Then instead of ID up here, let's call on the product model post, then the variable post. Okay, so next we have to set the variable for the data. So data equal to post to array. So post to array. So let's close that. Then let's create a variable response for the response that we'll get in our API. So response equal to, then we can close that. So inside here we're going to set our response. So just to save on time, let me copy this, copy and paste it down here. So success is true, then it's going to return the data. Then right here we can say post deleted successfully, post deleted successfully. Then we should have a return down here. So we should have a return statement. So return response JSON. Then inside here we should pass the variable response and the status 202. Okay, so close this. Then let's save our work. So now let's go to the Postman and test this in our API. So we want to delete the post with the ID of 4. So instead of put, let's use the delete request. Then click on send. Okay, so right here is saying post deleted successfully. So let's use the get request to get all the posts and see if we have a post with the ID of 4. So send. So you can say we have 1, 2, 3 and 5. So 4 is deleted. So that's it for the CRUD API. So in the next tutorial, we are going to start by setting the authentication for this application. So thank you very much. See you into our next video tutorial.